Want to access insights on Instagram and track your account's performance? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on Instagram Insights in just a few simple steps. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top of your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines, menu icon, in the top right corner. From the options that appear, scroll down to the For Professionals section. If your account is currently set to personal, you'll need to switch to a creator or business account to access insights. Follow the on-screen prompts to switch your account. If you already have a creator or business account, you'll see insights directly under the For Professionals section. Tap on it. Here, you'll gain access to detailed analytics about your content and audience. You can explore performance data for your posts, stories, and reels. You'll also find insights into followers, such as their location, age range, gender, and the times they're most active. To dive deeper, you can tap on categories like interactions, views, or followers to get a clear picture of how your content is performing and who your audience is. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and tricks.